Stop. See,
Hey, guess what?
I was gonna look around
Guess
first.
what? Guess
Yeah.
what?
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna give you a friggin' hat for free.
What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. I'm actually at the Kentucky flea market. I just got off work. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I don't know if I'm gonna find anything good because it's been going on since 10. So, but we're gonna shot in here real quick and see what we find. He's headed home.
My best seller. How you doing?
$5. Yeah, I
see, man.
I had that. How you doing? All right?
Yeah, I do 5 each. Oh, that's what I was looking for.
Yeah, they were stuck together. I couldn't get them off.
Oh, man. Yeah, I've been looking for this plug. You got a pocket knife on? I got one.
Nah, I don't have one at all. I usually have one.
I got knife down here.
I'm just getting off work.
If you see a little box that just goes in, let me know.
Oh, it's a little box to go to it?
You like a little white box?
Ah, okay.
If you see it. There it is, right there.
I found it. There you go. Alright. I think I'm just get one hat. $5.
Yeah, that's been our best seller. For 20 bucks.
5 for 20?
Yeah, I will. Yeah. You doing all right, man?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Got
Doing
that
great.
fishing hook out.
I got it out. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, man. I do. Let's see. To you, 24.
How much for your sweater right here?
Bruh.
He's busy talking. I'm trying to make some money. Man. How much for your sweater?
You'll do good over there. They're men. $5, my friend.
5 for the sweater?
Yeah, ain't that awesome?
Both of them?
Yeah, $5 a piece.
I don't know if I want this one or not.
Come in there for this.
All right, I'm gonna continue to look real quick. Boy's a salesman, man. He's a super salesman. Angelica. $2,000. Hey, you do $10 on this? 3 piece?
Oh, no, I can't do that, man. I'll do 15. I get 10 a piece for these and 10 for this one and 10. So I'll just charge you 15 for all of it.
15,
yeah,
man?
$5 a piece. I can't go back out and buy this vintage, man. This is nice, man. Look at this. That's God, somebody's gonna love that. Who you getting it for, your daughter?
You gotta give me a little deal, man. No, actually,
no,
actually my wife.
deal.
Actually, my wife. You told me 5 at first, so I think the deal is
Okay. No, man, that's $15. Don't do me that way.
All right, man, give me 5, man.
I'm gonna do you
on,
better.
Man. I was gonna come back.
No, man, I'm gonna do you better. I'm gonna do you
This is
better.
the first stop. See,
Hey, guess what?
I was gonna look around
Guess
first.
what? Guess
Yeah.
what?
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna give you a free hat for free.
Oh, so you gonna give me a hat? What you gonna do?
Hey, give me a hug. You're all right, dude.
What hat you gonna give me for free? I can pick one.
Hats.
There you go.
I'm gonna give you 5 back too.
You all right?
Hey,
See,
I
I'm
know I am.
gonna walk around and I'm probably gonna come back here because I like your vintage stuff.
People
I
like
like
my
your
stuff.
vintage stuff, man.
Hey, dude, get that hat up, man. That ain't about money. I rock with this stuff.
Ah, yeah, I already know,
You
man.
know, have you bought from me before?
You meet a lot of people. I think I have. I don't know. You sound familiar. I know your personality. I gotta remember you.
Hey, man, I'm the same every time you see me, man.
I'm gonna pick a hat, man. I
Man,
appreciate
me
it.
and you was young, yeah, we be rocking together, man. We'll get all kinds of cat, me and you. Hey, it's some goody shit out there.
Hey, I know you done seen a lot walking through, right?
Oh, God. Yeah, hey, you say so confused. How in the hell that guy get that damn pretty one? You ever see that shit, man?
All the time.
You know.
I be like, man, he must have got a lot of money or something.
Hey,
I'm taking this right here, man.
He got a gold ring over
Everything, yeah. I'm gonna send you the few, man. You
You need
easy.
a bag, man.
No, I got this right here, man.
All right, bro.
I appreciate it.
Hey, come back and say hi to me.
Hey, I'm coming back through. You take it easy. Bronco Pops. $15, $10. Hey, what's going on, man?
What's going on, man?
You and me?
Yeah, how you been?
Bought all the Nintendo stuff from you like last year or something?
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55. Here's one in here. 56. And like I said, these robots over right here.
Yeah.
I took 2 of these the last show I had. Dude, I don't even know what they're worth. I put 40 bucks on them.
Yeah.
Dude took both of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, me neither. I like I said, that's my first time really seeing one of them for real, man.
And see down, I mean, there's everything down in there. I mean, cord wise.
Yeah.
Some of it may be good, some maybe not. So I'm gonna say what 55 systems we said.
Yeah.
What's in this? All controllers.
Bunch of controllers.
Cords. Then I'm gonna say my game's got 30. There's Donkey Kong 30. So there's 60. Let's just rough it and say 60. 120. Let's just say 120.
Okay.
Forget that row. 120. And then I'm gonna say here's probably.
Oh, my wife right there.
I mean, roughly 250 games.
Okay.
There's more than that here. There's probably, with counting these loose ones, probably 275.
Okay.
275 games, and how many systems? 55?
Yeah.
55 systems. Say it. 55 systems. Say 50 systems.
Yeah, let's say 50 cents.
You're selling that shit, ain't you?
I moved a lot of it, man. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of it I moved, yeah. You doing all right, though, man?
Shit, no, man. Got court ordered halfway house for a year.
Really? So it might have been right after then. I remember you telling me your situation back then.
Just got out of jail, man. Had to do 40 days in jail. Had to do the MASH program for 3 months, 3 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Damn. That sucks,
They gave me
man.
18 and a half years of probation.
18? Damn.
2 years daily reporting. I got to call in every day. Meet probation officer every week. Go to therapy once a week.
That sucks, man.
3 meetings a week. Yeah, it don't end, man. It's awful.
I got a boy, one of my best friends doing the same thing, man. He's been doing it for 5 years, the same exact thing. Just stay, keep your head up, man. Keep on it,
Yeah,
you know?
that's all I can do.
You know?
Yeah, I made that sit together one day. The He-Man pictures and stuff on the home. Might have. 50 for a set of 7 on them. They're
50.
repops.
They are?
Yeah, they still sell like hotcakes though.
Yeah.
Oh, they got the G.I. Joe. What is that thing? You been buying a lot still?
Ah, little by little,
You
man.
hit the Goodwill outlet.
I've been
Marshall a
working.
lot?
Nah, I haven't been over in a while, man.
My son sitting up here next to me.
Yeah.
He bought a prosthetic leg a week and a half ago, $14, sold the same day, $1,400.
That's what I was about to say. I got an arm? No, that might have been a leg I got. But those things go for a lot of money.
This one had a charger, had some kind of hydraulic pump in it.
Yeah, mine didn't go for that much though.
Really?
Golly, that must have been a lot.
The guy told him if he had the charger, 700 more. I was like, he didn't even look for he didn't even know it had a charger.
He didn't try to go? Ah, man. That's probably in there too. All right, second time buyer, but what I owe you for this?
Okay, let's see what you got. One.
Second time buyer. I think I got 6 pieces. Second time buyer. I'm a repeat customer, man.
Well, I like you're working now, man. I'm gonna take care of you, man. 20 bucks.
All right, that's what I was thinking.
Then I take care of you, man.
I appreciate
You try to
man.
come back this weekend, though.
I'm coming back tomorrow.
And bring David. Bring some of you. Tell your friends about it.
Most definitely. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Actually, me and my buddy coming back.
Thanks,
You be good, man. Take it easy.
Thank you.
All right. All right. I'm about to walk in here and show y'all what I got from the flea market. You know, I spent a little bit too much, but hopefully I'll make some money. But what I really want to do, hold up, I'm gonna call my son. Look at this. Let me show you guys this. Look. See all these packages on the porch?
Bruh.
He's just gonna pass this stuff up. He get off the scoot bus and he goes right in the house, right? He just gonna pass all this stuff up. Hold up, we're gonna get a car right now. This don't make no sense. Look at all this. All these packages. You just pass up and go in the house. You know what I'm saying? Cam.
Yeah?
Come to the front door real quick.
Wow.
Just come to the front door.
Those wasn't there.
I don't want to hear. You didn't see none of these packages right here. You didn't see none of these packages when you walked in the house? None of these packages was here. You just walked in a few minutes ago.
These right here, I didn't see, but these I saw.
Why you didn't take them in?
They're too heavy. Oh, never mind. They're light.
Bruh.
See how it flips. Break it up. See yours, Devin. Okay? See how it flips. Hey. At the crib. About to go over what I got from this flea market. Now, as I said earlier, I think I said, I overpaid for a lot of stuff, all right? I used to go to yard sales, I get stuff for cheap. Once you start going to yard sales and stuff like that, trying to go to a flea market or buying stuff, doing retail arbitrage, stuff like that, it's kind of hard because you can pay top dollar. And this ain't top dollar per se, but like I was buying hats for $5 a piece and I usually get them for $1 a piece. I was paying $5 for a sweater and I used to get those for $1 a piece. Hey, 50 cents, 25 cents a lot of times. So, you know, they were selling a bunch of new stuff at the flea market. I don't like to mess with that stuff. That's not what I'm looking for right now. I usually go and look for vintage or just stuff like that, all right? And only one booth really had vintage, and I had to pay $5 to get in the fairground. So I had $5 to park and I bought this stuff. So I ended up spending a total of $20 and $15. So I spent a total of $40, all right? So let's see if I can get my $40 back. Really, to tell you the truth, I think this is a bad buy, but we're gonna see, all right? Let's go with the first thing. First thing I got a sweater. I got a couple sweaters. I got this one, and I got this one. Now these I think do pretty good, man. I might be able to get $40 for this one right here. And I think I found the comp to that one. I found the one that was listed, I think, and I'll put it on the screen. And I don't think I can find a comp to this one, but these usually do pretty good. I sold a sweater loft before, so I might be able to get the same or a little less for this. So I guess I get my money back just selling one of these sweaters, and that's good, all right? And this right here may be a gem, all right? I found the comp, but it was all black, and it sold for $140 on eBay. It's a Kodak Resist Team hat. I couldn't find this exact one, so this could either be a gem or it could just be weak, all right? So we'll see. It's in great condition, so I'm gonna list it. I'm gonna go sky's the limit and put 140 on it and see if I can get it. And I'll throw best offer on it and then keep going down. But that might be a gem, all right? We'll see. And let's just go for some of the other hats. I got this Herman Grant. I got this old stock oil stock hat. That one looks pretty good. It might do something. Kimball, I think these Kimball sets I sold before. I actually sold one for $40, kind of like this one. This was in better condition, so I might be able to get like a 40 piece off of that. Another old one. I don't think I can find a comp on that one. Coastal. And the CXX. I sold CXX hats before and did pretty good on those, so there might be a $20, $25 piece right there. And so military, 1993. I believe I found the comp, or at least found one listed for like $30, so that might be a good one. So in all, I'm gonna make some money, but you know, I'm used to, well, I guess this is okay, all right? Like I said, I spent $40. I've been going to your sister here lately, spending $20, $25 getting a bunch of stuff, so let me stop being picky. I might do all right? I keep y'all updated on how this went. I actually ran into my guy at the flea market. Those of y'all who's been following me a while, when I bought all that Nintendo, Sega Genesis, that big old haul for about $1,000, and I got all kinds of stuff, I ran into him. He actually had a booth at the flea market. Shout out to him, man. He's going through some crazy stuff right now. I think right after I bought all that stuff from him, and y'all remember he was talking about that he got in trouble. Well, I didn't put that in the video because I didn't want to put his business out there, but he got in trouble doing some stuff, police running his house and all that. And I think right after that, he went to jail, and it seemed like he just got out. You know, that was about a year ago, about 8 or 9 months ago. And he said he was in there for about that long. So I guess right after, and that's the reason why I probably couldn't get a hold of him, because I had been calling him but couldn't reach him. But I think he had just got out of jail and he's been going through a lot. He usually a lot more talkative and talks a lot, but it seemed like he's down. Hold up. Sorry about that. I had to get on my dog real quick. But shout out to him. I'm glad I ran into him, man. I got his number again, and I'm gonna holler at him and keep his spirits up, because he said he's on probation for 18 years, man. I don't know if any of y'all know. I'm not gonna get into that right now. So anyway, with all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Short video. Just wanted to kind of throw something out there. I know a lot of y'all saying that I don't post that much. I usually do like once a week. And I'm gonna try to get back into 2-3 times a week, especially when winter comes. I'm gonna do a lot of what sells when the winter get here, because of course it's not gonna be your sale season. So I'm gonna try to switch the channel up a little bit. All right, so y'all be good. Peace.